Hello! Today we discover together the latest REPALO rebuild, HB3000, like new. Here we go. Hello, Pasquale is here from REPALO. I'm the third generation in rock breaker business since 1972. HB3000 Atlas COPCO, here 2006, dust protector. Suitable from excavator from 32 till 50 ton, 600 blow per minute, 6.1 kJ per blow. We replaced circuit, membrane, bushing, piston and tires are all genuine. The HB3000 Atlas COPCO is equipped with start-select valve on the cylinder side in order to select piston stroke, short or long, and auto control system valve, which adapt energy and frequency of the blow according with the hardness of the rock. He's a great breaker, probably one of the best in his weight range class. A technological evolution of an old Krupp HM2300, really a step forward. Bring brutal power in your team. Contact us today at this number and mention this video. You will get a very special price. Do it today. Thanks for watching REPALO. Keep following us.